Alright guys, been getting many requests to share some details, so here it goes. That's a 20-liter fuel tank connected with a fuel hose. I just pump it every hour, just refills the fuel on the petrol tank. Yeah, so it's running straight into the engine. The extended throttle and kill switch, I just run it at trolling speed and I leave it there. About 4.5 knots. The red leash is just a regular dog walking leash that I clip onto the starting cable, pull start, and I just leave it there. When I need to start, I just yank on it. 3 bolts. The black rope that you can see, that is actually just to pull the engine up out of the mount, so you can just tilt up on launch. So I just run the engine straight and I steer. We're using the Hobie rudder. I've gone up to speeds of 7 knots, but I don't think it's required. I think a cruising knot 4.5 or 5 knots is just perfect. Just set the throttle as much as you want and then you're good to go. Cheers guys.